I am so excited to be able to say that myself and my sister are seeing Harry Styles in a few months, and of course you've got to go big or go home, so I am taking that quite literally and I'm making our outfits. I am starting out by crocheting my sister's top. This is the top that she's requested I make, but unfortunately I can't find a pattern for it, so I'm gonna have to wing it. I have started out by making the granny squares, so this would sort of like go here. It's time for me to work on some more granny squares now. I've started out by doing 15 treble crochets into a magic ring, and then I'm going to do some puff stitches. Yarn over, send it through the loop, yarn over again and pull through. You're going to do the same thing 2 more times. So once you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through all of them like this, and then you just chain 1 and then you can start over.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up and I can feel it now.
I've just sewn all of the granny squares together, and this will make the lower part of the top, so it'll sort of like go around like this. It's now time to make the cups. I've already made the first one. To be honest, I'm not really sure what way round it goes. I think it's this way round. I am now going to briefly show you how I made it. Once you've got your slip knot, you're going to chain 12. This depends on your size. I'm making an A cup, so I'm going to chain 12, but this varies. I will leave a link below to a video that will help you figure out how to do this. And now that I've got my base chain, I am going to work my way backwards right into the first stitch. And I am going to do double crochets all the way back, and if you are used to working in American terms, then that is a single crochet. So I'm going to chain 1, turn, and then work my way backwards all the way to the top again. Same thing, double crochet. Now that I've reached right to the top, I'm going to do 3 double crochets into this stitch. Right, and then you're just going to continue down the other side. Chain 1, turn around, and then keep doing the same thing again and again and again until the width is the same width as this one, which for an A cup is 5 inches.
That we believed our every single word. Turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh. Burn these blocks down a couple miles, we could build them up.
So I'm here with an update for you. So as you can see, I've got the bottom half, which is actually upside down. There we go. We've got the bottom strip, and then we've got the two cups, but there's also meant to be a few lines of crochet in between. So I'm just going to crochet along here and do a few lines and then attach the cups, and then there's some detailing around the cup on the reference photo. I've made quite a bit of progress. I've done this much, and then now I am going to chain a number of stitches, not really sure how many yet, and then stitch backwards to make a strap, and then I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so to achieve this look, I have attached the aqua yarn onto the cup, chained 3, and then slip stitched into the second stitch from the first one, and then I've gone over it with the yellow mustardy yarn, and I've just done double crochets, and then 1, 2, 3, skip a stitch, and then slip stitch into this one. I'm not the best at slip stitching, so bear with me. There we go. And then as you can see, it creates this little loop thing. So I'm just going to keep doing this all the way around. The aqua, and I'm now going to go in with the mustard colour, and yeah, I'm going to start on the side, do a double crochet and then double crochet into the loops and work my way around. Look how close to being done we are. I've crocheted all the big parts now, that's all done. I just need to thread in the loose ends like this, and then sew it together and finally make the straps. I've folded the, what's it called, the top, how it would fold around the body. So I think this would be the center, and then I've used some safety pins to attach the cups so that they stay in place while I sew them, because I feel like while I'm sewing the pieces together it's going to move around and it's going to end up wonky, and I think doing this gives me the best chance of getting it straight and in place. So I'm really close to being done with this project now. This is what it would look like when it's on. So to do this, I am slip stitching. I've done a chain of 40, and now I'm going to slip stitch all the way back. On the ties on the back, I did do a double crochet, but I sort of thought that I did that accidentally, and then figured that I would just leave it like that and have them sort of be thicker on the back, which I don't mind actually. I think is probably for the best as well. I'm so excited. I think she's really gonna like it. I'm happier with this than I thought I was going to be. I think I prefer this to the original photo. I definitely prefer the colours. Okay, so all the crochet is done now. I'm now going to thread in these pieces of yarn, and then I'm going to show you the final product. The top is completed. I've got it right here. I am so happy with it. I don't think I've ever made something and genuinely be happy with it. I love this so much. I love how it's turned out. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you would like to see part 2 where I make some more clothes for when we go and see Harry Styles, I still have my outfit to make as well. If you want to see more crochet videos, then definitely stick around. I've got quite a few coming out this month. I've got a few more crochet videos up on my channel as well, so feel free to stick around and have a look and watch some more videos.